Good afternoon, my name is Sean McMillan. I'm an orthopedic sports medicine surgeon. And today we're going to be doing a double row rotator cuff repair using the new Argo GENESYS system. For my system, what we'll typically use is a punch. We'll use two 4.75 millimeter anchors medially equipped with tape, which is wedged together with a number 2 retention suture. And out laterally, again, I'll use two separate 4.75 millimeter anchors to secure down to fixation. Moderate retraction here. We're going to freshen up the edges of this. We're ready to place our first anchor. So let's go in there. We'll get our punch. Slide the anchor right down. So one of the nice features about this Argo is we can go ahead and undo the lateral cleats. All we really do is one pass and pull right out to the side. It'll kind of unthread. Same thing up top. We can go ahead and take our retention suture, one cleat. And then we have the quick release, so we can go ahead and squeeze and pull straight back. And it's a fast release. So then we can either choose to keep our number 2 suture for later on for dog ears. We have our wedge tapes, or we can go ahead and unload that number 2 suture if we want. And again, we'll go ahead and undo the side swedges and pull straight out, unravel. We'll do the same up top here. And these anchors come with the tapes with 2 different color tape sutures, easy to identify. So in this case, I'm going to work posterior since I put that anchor in last. I'll grab one of the wedge sutures, pull them out laterally, and they'll come together. All right, now we got our tapes and we're ready to start passing. So we'll pass our 1 set of tapes through. So what we'll do now is we're going to go ahead and cut our sutures that are wedged together, trying to leave them as long as possible. That way we have some length to be able to put them into our lateral row. Okay, once we've done that, we can take our suture retrieving device and we'll take one limb from each anchor and bring these out laterally. So we've taken one limb out the front just for suture management purposes. Now we're going to come in the back and get one of our posterior tapes. So we got one limb from our front, one limb from our back. The nice thing about this anchor is we can put both tapes through the same passer, so that way I don't need to pass twice. We're going to go ahead and take our punch out, which has maintained our place. There, we can take a look at our cuff, make sure we like that. We're going to go ahead and release our cleat and just give a little more tension here. And again, we're going to go ahead and release our cleats here on both sides. Then we can go ahead and just release our retention suture. And then we'll do our smart clip, pull straight out. We can unload our black suture, which is our retention suture, or use it if we needed to for a dog ear. And then we're just going to cut those tails. Now we'll go ahead and just get our other 2 limbs, finish this off. Great. All right, we'll undo our cleats inside one more time. We'll undo our retention suture, do our fast release. Excellent.